Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 12, and we're continuing our discussion of common mistakes that families make when completing the FAFSA. And one is leaving numerical fields blank. So what we're looking at is an example of Curious Little George's FAFSA form. And if you're just joining us in this series, please check out the description below and watch the videos for all of the episodes preceding today's talk. Any place on the FAFSA where there are numerical fields where you're required to put in digits for amounts of income or earnings or credits, etc. If you are required to complete these fields and the answer is 0 or does not apply, please write in a 0. Do not leave any fields blank. We don't want to do anything that is going to cause the FAFSA to be kicked back and cause processing delays for the family. So please remember, do not leave any numerical fields blank in which you are required to complete. So that's the tip for today. Thank you for joining us. Please remember to like, share, invite others to join us for Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.